Hello and welcome back everyone. Again, this is Aditi Gupta moving forward with few more interesting and amazing facts. You must have observed your mother while working in the kitchen. She used to keep a magic box including lots of colorful ingredients inside it that make your food delicious and add flavor in it. These flavors are because of these flavory spices. Actually, Indian food is all about spices. We doesn't need any artificial flavors. If we just add Indian spices and we can make anything delicious. And we can add great flavors with these just Indian spices. But we really need to have understanding of all the Indian spices, so it should be important to have identification of each. Here we're gonna start with some most important Indian spices which is highly pungent with full of aroma and flavors. These all are called flavory spices because it all adds flavors to our cuisines. So today we will begin with first spice, that is aniseed, which we also call sauf. It is known for its strong aromatic nature and sweet taste that also rich in vitamin A, B and C, and these spices basically used for our digestive system. It is also called as a digestive aid, and it prevents us from cancer and asthma. Our next very familiar spice is green cardamom, that is elaichi. Okay, so this spice has intensely sweet and savory taste which with rich aroma, so it often used in a hot and spicy dishes and as well as aromatic beverages, coffees and teas. Okay, this cardamom is also known as a queen of spices. It again also used to cure digestive problems, control cholesterol, contains anti-cancer properties similarly just like the previous one. Next, we are moving towards our next spice, that is cinnamon sticks. Just look at all the pictures carefully because you are going to identify with the help of these pictures, and check it out in their kitchens again after watching this video to identify all the ingredients. That cinnamon is known as dalchini in Hindi. Okay, so this cinnamon is actually obtained from the inner bark of a cinnamon tree. That you can observe it carefully. So it's actually a bark, and it complements for the preparation of numerous sweet and salty dishes and drink also, so that used to add flavor in the manufacture of various beverages. Next is our mint. Mint is, you can see here, these leaves are very familiar to you people. In your daily life you people use these mint leaves are pudina. Its various species like peppermint, spearmint are used for the flavoring of food. So these leaves are usually warm, fresh, aromatic and have a sweet flavor inside it, which with a kind of a cool aftertaste. Means after eating it you will feel sometime coolness in it. So these leaves are also used to add flavors in tea, beverages, jellies, syrups, candies and ice creams as well. It is also a good source of protein, vitamins, various vitamins and minerals like calcium and irons, and it also helps in the improving digestion, weight loss, fatigue, etc. Now next spice is cumin seed, which is very usual ingredients in all the Indian cuisines, in not even in Indian cuisines, in all over the world people used to add that cumin seed, which is generally we call it as a jeera. So these cumin seeds have strong warm earthy aroma, and these cumin seeds mostly used as a flavoring agent for the dishes made of meat and vegetables, and also improve the taste of omelets, curries and soups. We usually take that cumin seed for the treatment of our poor appetite, heart diseases, fever, diarrhea, vomiting, etc. So generally it is a all-time available medicinal source as well as a flavoring agent. Okay, so our next very usual, that is turmeric. turmeric usually known more for its golden bright yellow color more than its flavory taste. Okay, so turmeric, it is a golden colored strong flavored spice that really an important ingredient in usually in Indian and Thai cuisines to provide a vibrant yellow colors. And it is in India, that is the world's largest producer. India is known as the world's largest producer for this turmeric powder, and as well as the world's largest consumer of this powder as well. And turmeric is also used as a stomach soother, and it is effective in the treatment of constipation, cramping, irritable bowel syndromes. Now next is ginger. Ginger usually may use to, you have seen your mother while making your tea, so that ginger usually we use in making tea and other beverages. Ginger has a sharp, pungent taste and aroma. That's why the oil of ginger are used to make a perfume for perfume and medicines, and the spices have a slightly biting taste, and also it is used to flavor the bread, sauces, curry dishes, pickles, etc. So these gingers contains a diverse array of most important and many important vitamins and minerals as well. Now that is, look at this picture, this is nutmeg, and usually you have heard about the jaifal. So that jaifal is a nutmeg. So nutmeg is a distinctive pungent fragrance and a warm, slightly sweet taste. So it includes a pungent fragrance and a sweet taste in it, and it is used to flavor the baked confectioneries, puddings, potatoes, meats, sausages, and vegetables and beverages. So that nutmeg or a jaifal used to flavor such things. So it is essential, and the essential oil of nutmeg is used widely in the perfumery and pharmaceutical industries. Our next is black pepper. Black pepper is regarded as the king of spices. Its flavor has been described as a spicy and fresh with bright aroma. So it is so spicy and fresh with a bright aroma that itself a pinch of pepper is sufficient to make a food delicious, and that's why it is used worldwide, and it is used for a better digestion and lack of bad breath. Our last ingredient, but that is also a most important ingredient or a flavory spice, that is clove. It is actually unopened sun-dried flowers bud of a tropical clove tree, which it have a fruity hot taste and a warm aroma, which helps in good digestion, protect liver, boost immune system, stimulate blood circulation, and control diabetes. So cloves may be used to give aromatic flavors qualities to the hot beverages as well. So these all are ingredients which is famous for its flavor and strong pungent aroma, which Indians usually use to add flavors, taste. We don't have to add any kind of fat or something else to make a food delicious. We just have a pinch of spices and we can make our food savory. So that's all for now. Watch it thoroughly everything, and stay tuned and stay safe.